Hello, Gene. Here's your Fatboy 12 pill. We fixed for you. We changed that transistor, and then we changed the 10 ohm on it, and we changed this balance resistor right here between the two pill sections. 4 pill balance resistor. We come over here. We changed this one, and changed the balance resistor here, and changed all your combiner balancing resistors. There's your old pills and stuff. We probably just chunked them in the trash. They no good. But we didn't go through and rebuild the whole box or something like that, because kind of acted like you was kind of, wanting to save some money. So we just fixed it. And if you ever want to have to put all the new pills in and stuff, we can go through and change a few things. But there's nothing really wrong with it. It's just, I could have changed some stuff the way I like it. But straight through SWR, like we always do. Worldwide, 0. Turn that fire on. Worldwide, just a little bit of SWR, not much. 5-volt reverse, just a radio drive, okay? 1000-watt slug, radio drive. Worldwide. So I about 300, that's where we're out on the money. We'll turn him off. Turn on my little Texas Star, see what I'm going to drive it with. 1000-watt slug, worldwide, we're going to put 200 in. 5-volt reverse is going to give us half-watt reflex, right on target. 1000-watt average power. Worldwide. About 1,000 average, 1, 2, worldwide. Get on down. 2,500-watt PEP. Worldwide. That's what you're doing straight over 2,000 with 200 drive. Get on down. Working this Fatboy 12 pill, worldwide. Get on down. 5-volt slug, average power, worldwide in the corner, worldwide. There she is, man. I beat on her quite a bit. Make sure she hold up. I ain't got no fan on her, and that's only too crazy. But I'll put the covers back on her to get this video to you and get your ticket going, man. All right, bud. Thanks for the business. Your friend 10-018 Catch you in a minute.